Hi, I'm Darren from Island Technology, and this is the EasyAqua 250BU Undersink Water Purifier. An easy to install benchtop model called the 250B is also available. The EasyAqua 250BU Undersink Water Purifier is a simple and affordable filter to convert plain tap water into clean, tasty and healthy drinking water. Both EasyAqua systems contain 3 cartridges which tap water is filtered through before we drink it. The water first passes through a polypropylene filter or PP filter, which removes larger particles like dirt and rust. Then a coconut shell granular activated carbon filter removes heavy metals and volatile organic compounds like chlorine, gasoline, benzene, formaldehyde. These include most of the nasties responsible for water tasting or smelling unpleasant as well. And finally, through a biological EM medium filter to remove bacteria and other microorganisms. EasyAqua's EM medium filter has an unmatched efficiency of 99.9999%, making it one of the top filters on the market. Most other filters only guarantee up to 99.99% efficiency. All this is achieved while retaining healthy minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium and so on, while still maintaining a decent water flow rate. Installation involves firstly turning off the water to your home. If the outlet under the sink doesn't have a tap to allow this, locate the mains outside the building and turn it off there instead. It's a good idea to run the tap a while before you disconnect the hose to get rid of any water in the system as well. What we want to end up with is the inlet hose to the water filter connected into the cold water hose leading to the existing sink tap, and the outlet hose from the filter leading to a new faucet on the sink to dispense the filtered water. So we can start out by drilling a 12mm hole where we want the faucet to go on the sink. Alternatively, an L bracket is also provided to mount the gooseneck faucet onto a vertical surface to suit other situations you might have. Fit the faucet through the hole and screw the lock nut into place. Now use the plastic joiner to connect the filter outlet hose to the new faucet. Disconnect the cold water hose and wrap the outlet in new thread sealing tape ready for the hexagonal joining piece. Thread sealing tape is your friend here. Make sure you use plenty of it on the hexagonal joining piece as well as all threaded connections. And tighten the joining piece into place. Give the ball cock valve a liberal wrap of thread sealing tape. And screw it into place on the hexagonal joining piece. Now attach the EasyAqua inlet hose to the ball cock valve. Mount the filter base in a suitable position on the side of the cabinet. Attach the inlet hose from the ball cock valve to the EasyAqua filter and the outlet hose up to the new faucet. Now reattach the cold water hose to the sink tap and tighten with a suitable spanner. Now we can turn the water back onto the house. It's recommended to run the water through the new filter system for a few minutes to wash out any particles that may have come loose post-manufacture. It's also normal to get a bit of extra air at this time, which will give the water a bit of a milky appearance, but that's nothing to worry about and it will go away in time. For an average family of 4 drinking the recommended 8 glasses of water per day, it's recommended to change the PP filter every 6 months and the carbon and biological filters once per year. The filters are easily removed by rotating them counterclockwise until you feel 5 clicks, and then lift the filter out. Installing the new filter is a reversal of the same procedure. 3, 4, 5. And that's the EasyAqua 250BU Undersink Water Purifier, available with a 3-year manufacturer warranty for all parts other than for the individual cartridges.